Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, guys.
If you're new to the channel, we are busy in the process of setting up a self-sustaining homestead here in Mongolia, which is just outside the coldest capital city in the entire world. So it comes.
Entire world.
Yeah, it's the coldest capital in the world.
Okay.
So it comes with its challenges. We have just completed our raised beds in our greenhouse, which is a winter greenhouse, geothermal. Soon we'll be connecting all that up, but we have some things that we need to get done this week.
Emergency.
Emergency. It's a beautiful day today, but that's not going to last very long in Mongolia. It is in the middle of autumn. Temperatures are going to drop drastically in the next few weeks. If you've been following our channel for a while, at the beginning of the summer we got our new chickens. We built a summer chicken coop so that they can start laying eggs. We incubated eggs. We then had 36 chickens that we built a little chicken run for. But now we have chickens a bit of everywhere, so we need to kind of combine them. Our original design is to build a full winter chicken coop, but I don't think we're going to have enough time for what we want to do this whole winter, as it'll be freezing really soon and the ground will be too hard to do concrete. And we are just going to make it into a winter chicken coop for this winter, and a way that we can... Hi, Flemmy. Oh, hi, Flemmy. So we're going to make it into a winter chicken coop for this winter, and then we'll put it back to a summer coop for next summer, and in the spring we will build a winter coop for next year. So we're going to make this a simple conversion over today and tomorrow before it gets cold, so then we can start moving our chickens around, and we'll explain what we're going to do and why. So let's crack on while the weather is good.
Tima.
Let us show you what the plan is. Part of our plan for the conversion, because the chicken coop that we have does not have a floor to it, and it is all open by the wind. The box is insulated. What we're going to do is we're going to make a floor for it. So we got some OSB and some 1x2s. So we're just going to make a simple floor that we can put the chicken coop on top and attach it to that. Hey, Flamey. Come. No, dump. So make the flooring, attach the chicken coop to the floor, then we're going to cover up on the sides so that we can have some heating inside.
Yeah.
Dum. Is Daddy doing a good job? Huh? Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Let's get the floor made.
Let's work, Flemmy.
Trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out.
We know exactly what size of the chicken coop we have, so basically we're just measuring it down. It is 180 centimeters wide by 366 centimeters long. So we're just measuring the wood first, cut it to size, then we're going to cut the wood to size, make a wood framing and attach it to the OSB. Then we have a floor.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
You also work, Flemmy.
Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
My wife says I should wear safety glasses. She's right there.
Yes.
But I don't have any, so these will have to do.
I'm gonna let the past be filled with slow. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold.
Do cross beams this way, before we screw it all in, and then we have the base. Easy peasy.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light.
Okay, done.
I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
father-in-law borrowed the other drill, so I have to change every single time.
But actually,
Thanks, Dad.
No, that was actually his drill.
Hi.
Hello, Flemmy.
Oh, some grass.
Open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day.
Hele ding çalıştı. Yes, it's solid.
It's solid.
Not broken.
And then tomorrow we can work on putting it there. That's good. That's good. Oh.
So
Okay, guys,
that's
we
it
got.
for today.
Yeah, that's it for today, guys. We got the floor done, which is what we wanted to do. Tomorrow we're going to get that chicken coop on top of this, screw it down, and then start working on the sides. We're going to call it early for tonight, and we will catch you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good night.
Bye.
It's cold.
Look, I got my winter pants on.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
I know that we're looking a bit rough, but it's cold outside. Yeah, it's a really cold day. It's not as nice today as it was yesterday. The wind is blowing, but that's even more reason why we need to push on with this so that we can get this all closed up so the chickens can be a little bit warmer,
Exactly.
especially when the wind is blowing. Woo! So, but anyway, cold, we got to crack on. What we've been doing this morning is just cleaning everything out, emptying it out. We want to take away the top layer of dirt inside of there because that's beautiful, beautiful, nice compost.
Yeah.
So once we got that, we're going to try to figure out how we can get the floor underneath that. But fortunately, Zula's dad and uncle have come to give us a hand. So
Yeah.
3 strong men and you. We thought about different things, about lifting it, sliding it under, but we really want to have a real stable base. So we're going to try to move the chicken coop out the way, put the base there so we can level it up, and then put the chicken coop back on top.
Yoo-hoo.
So let's see if we can do it. Heavy.
Quite heavy.
1, 2, 3.
Great.
Floor is on. We're going to screw it down and attach it. But that's good before the ground freezes. Because the board is 122 by 220, we just need to add in some extra pieces of wood for bracing. So we've calculated the size of the pieces that we're going to have and how we're going to cut it. So we're just adding an extra bracing, and then we can cut those and add them.
Yeah.
So we're going to call it for tonight. It started to snow and hail, plus the bigger chickens, they wanted to go to bed, and we have 7 small chickens which we'll tell you about tomorrow, but we got them to bed. So now we're just packing up everything and we'll continue these boards tomorrow. The roof, we have a new roof coming tomorrow as well, so we're going to install that. So we are carrying on this morning. Zula's uncle is busy giving me a hand. It's nice, it's not windy today, so it's a little bit warmer. The sun has come out, all the snow is starting to melt. So we are continuing putting on all the boards around the chicken coop. We're waiting for a delivery for the roof. We're going to have a foam, 10 centimeter foam with metal on both sides like we did for our greenhouse. We're going to have that on top, so we're going to take that roof away. But we're going to use the metal from the roof to do some sort of outside area for them to stand. But we're going to work on that. But first we're going to get everything closed up, figure out some sort of window so we can get extra light in there. And yeah, so we're going to continue with that and see what we can get done. Nice. Okay. Nice. So it's really great. This afternoon has really cleared up and the sun is coming out and it's warming up. It's really, really nice. What I'm doing now is I'm just removing the old tin roof because it has no insulation value. So basically we have ordered a sandwich roof, which is 10 centimeter foam, which is metal on the top, metal at the bottom. That is just about to arrive. So now this afternoon I am removing the tin roof and we will install the other roof, then start mixing all these birds together.
Is the roof coming? So what's this for us?
What's this for?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no. No spoilers. This is for a future project.
Okay.
It's coming soon.
All right.
No spoilers. Roof first.
Okay.
It's not the color I wanted. This is blue. But anyway, it's going to face the other way. We're not going to see it. They didn't have the same color as the greenhouse. Okay. Nice thing about these roofs, really easy, tongue and groove. Just put it in, screw it in.
That's it.
That's it.
Good job.
Good job. The roof is attached, everything is done. Of course, we're gonna fix some heating in there with the temperature probes and all that type of stuff. But we wanted to get this finished so we can start putting the chickens together. Let me show you the different chickens we have and what we have done. So we have a couple of chickens and hens separated here. The reason for that is 3 of the males, they're not from our chicken line, they're from a different chicken line that we got them for next season. We have 1 more male in there that's going to go with the other males. He was a bit small, and there's 2 females, so they're going to stay. So we have, I think, 13 females in here and about 16 males as far as I can remember. We have got loops around all the females on the right hand leg. The 3 males that are going to be new for next year, they have on the left leg. So basically what we want to do now is we want to transfer the females into the main stock. The males will stay in here so that can get a little bit bigger. All right. This is the fun part. No, so I go in, get 1 female, you cut it off and transfer her into the main stock. And we just take 1 by 1.
Yeah.
The last female, we're in 15 females of the new ones. So when you put chickens together, they will always fight. But that doesn't last too long, but they're just trying to sort out the pecking order, who's the boss, who's the little one. So we have 6 of the older chickens that are still going to come and want to fight. We will see what happens. We can get them all to go to bed in here tonight.
Yeah.
Anyway, they got food, they got water. And we'll see. Okay,
Yeah.
great job. Done. Yep, so we got this little upgrade on our chicken coop done. It's not the most prettiest, but it's practical. For at least once we're doing something that is just easy, practical.
Yeah.
It's a lot warmer. There's a couple of things we're going to connect in there. We're going to have some lighting so that lights will come on a little bit earlier in the morning so they will keep on laying some eggs.
Yeah.
We're going to have some heating in there. We don't have to keep it really warm because these are real winter cold hardy chickens. So we just don't want it to drop about -12. Anything from that starts to get a little bit difficult for them. So we're going to have a backup heater. They're still fighting cooking water. A backup heater that will just kick on at about -12. Just there are going to be some nights that are going to be could be -40. So that would kill the chickens and we would not be so happy. So we just want to keep them alive, keep them happy.
Yeah.
We have some exciting things coming up, but we'll tell you all about that a bit later on. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We love you to bits, and we will see you very soon. Bye.
We got time on our side. When I stay home, I need you on my side. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way.